उम्मीदों के अनुसार होगा। सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास मूल मंत्र के साथ चलने वाली मोदी सरकार ने पिछली महामारी के समय भी आत्मनिर्भर पैकेज देकर भारत को एक नई दिशा दी, महामारी से बचाया भी और भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था को तेजी के साथ पटरी पर भी लाए और मजबूती प्रदान कर रहे हैं। पूर्ण विश्वास है इस बजट में भी हम जनता की उम्मीदों पर खरा उतरेंगे और आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाने के लिए और विश्व की अग्रणी इकोनॉमीज में एक भारत लगातार आगे बढ़े, इस दिशा में हमारा लगातार प्रयास रहेगा।
Anurag Thakur right there going on to talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas budget. We also have Pradeep Multani with us. Mr. Multani, just a sense from you, how successful really is Atmanirbhar Bharat? Has it been that successful, and what more would you like to see?
Mention about how we can raise revenue. You see, the government can raise revenue that they should establish a development finance institution for finance mid-sized companies in India. Such a DFI can raise money from sovereign wealth funds and other long-term institutional investors.
Right.
Also, utilize a small part of foreign exchange reserves, USD 15 or 20 billion, for setting up a fund and lend to Indian industry at, say, 6% in rupee terms for new projects, substantial expansion. The tenure for these loans should be 8 to 12 years. Apart from this, we can raise revenue by reviewing capital adequacy ratio for banks. The capital to risk weighted assets ratio to be maintained by banks under the Basel III norms is lower than norms stipulated by RBI. These may be reviewed as it may help release capital for lending purposes.
You're saying it's okay if the CAR is low for a couple of years, but ensure that the lending happens?
Absolutely, absolutely. And also launch Build India bonds denominated in INR to raise global capital for a 20-50 year tenure at very low interest rates prevailing across the world for financing economic and social infrastructure projects. I would also suggest government may consider divesting its stake in the public sector banks to enable banks to raise capital from the market. Government can look at having 26% share as a floor and bring in the concept of a golden share to exercise control over critical decisions. This will help save government money. So these can be,
Apologies about the interruption, Pradeep, but Anurag Thakur